I'm Aliyah. I'm a foster care youth alumni. I got I helped a lot with like foster care youth when I was in care. Had a heck of a time when I aged out, and so I am slowly getting back into the swing of things so I can start advocating again. But I am doing green bean casserole and then also a sweet potato casserole. And so how I'm gonna do it is I'm gonna include two recipes with it. One is just like a basic, and then another one is with stuff that you can add into it if you have it around your house already, just to give it some extra flavor. These were recipes that were handed down to me when I was younger that I just remember from cooking for all the holidays. So I'm excited.
Carousel, this beat's too much to stop. 1 second I'm thinking I'm feeling the loss, and then I feel alive. Ooh, that man is like a flame, and ooh, that man plays me like a game. My only sin is I can win. Ooh, I wanna love that man. Ooh, that man is on my list, and ooh, that man I wanna kiss. My only sin is I can win. Ooh, I wanna love that man. Now it's like I'm on a mission, headed everywhere. And if it takes a little long and it feels a little wrong, who cares? My baby fits the description and does it easily. A little gave some stare when he dances, I can hardly breathe. Someone call a doctor, need some help to rescue me. 1 second I'm thinking I must be lost, and he keeps on finding me. Ooh, that man is like a flame, and ooh, that man plays me like a game. My only sin is I can win. Ooh, I wanna love that man. Ooh, that man is on my list, and ooh, that man I wanna kiss. My only sin is I can win. Ooh, I wanna love that man. I'm gonna find that man. You betcha I'm gonna find that man. Yeah, I'm gonna find that man. I'm gonna find that man. I'm gonna find that man. Ooh, I wanna love that man. Ooh, that man is on my list, and ooh, that man I wanna kiss. My only sin is I can win. Ooh, I wanna love that man.
You know, I've been calling you for about 2 days now, and I want to see you, darling. I really do, you know, because I think of you, and all of me kind of goes a little bit crazy. So I believe it's a match, darling. You should phone me, and we will have a night in the Casbah that neither of us will ever forget. A beautiful evening of love, lust, and paradise. You can make it nice. Call me back on Riverside 42239. Ciao, ciao.